Are you trying to stay out of the sun but love the healthy glow that you get from it? My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and I'm going to show you how to apply self-tanner. The first thing that you want to do is on the skin, make sure that you're good and exfoliated. By that I mean make sure that you get all the dead skin off that you can. Now you can do this with a wash rag and just make sure that you rub it really well. You can do it with a scrub for the skin and just gently rub the skin. You can do it with a loofah or even maybe an exfoliating cream. That will work too. You want to make sure that you focus on really exfoliating the drier, thicker areas of the skin. Those areas are going to absorb that self-tanner really well, so you need to be careful and exfoliate those extra. Then what you want to do is make sure that on the areas, the elbows, the knees, that these areas have some lotion on them, just a regular body lotion, and that way that's going to keep them also from absorbing too much of that tint from the self-tanner. You can go ahead and apply your cream while you're using gloves because your hands will really soak up that tint as well. And just rub it in really good, evenly. And just do that all over the body. Get someone to help you do your back. That's going to work the best. Feel free to go over those elbows. There you go, relax. And then when you're done, you can quickly take some of that self-tanner and you can put it on the top of your hands and then wash the palms of your hands. And that way you don't have orange palms. My name is Keely Selvage with Keely Skin Solutions, and that is how you apply self-tanner.